I actually get a kick out of looking for bugs.
Where in the code is this happening?
I love sweating the details.
I just love nerding out with After Effects users.
I completely fell in love with Photoshop 2.5.
It's horrible going to bed not knowing the solution to some problem.
Well, I hope this idea works.
I'm a design manager.
Product manager.
Designer.
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 A little bit of this, a little bit of that. I just graduated.
Pick one.
We have a clapper if you want one.
We're making things for people who make things.
Deviate is made up of people who appreciate the intersection of science and art.
Digital video and audio.
The cool apps.
Premiere Pro or After Effects.
Media encoder, Prelude, Audition.
Character animator.
Adobe Premiere Rush CC. The genesis of Rush is really bringing video creation to a wider audience.
Social media editors, YouTubers, edit fast and easy.
This is my spot. The talent's here.
I'm a video nerd for Adobe.
Manager of strategic program.
I like writing code.
Chief architect.
I'm a developer.
One of the big things about XD that's really great is a teenager who wants to build a fan site for their favorite music artist can do that super easily.
We built this in a really open, transparent way.
And it's really important for us to see what users are thinking.
This XD thing is pretty cool. Can you XD that? Yes.
I would never use it as a verb. No.
Today's my birthday. I'm on the Gemini team.
Adobe's building an app focused specifically on drawing and painting.
How can we redesign that and think about that for mobile?
There's this really rich ecosystem for all kinds of creativity.
There are too many candies to choose from in the candy store. Photoshop and Illustrator or InDesign or After Effects or Project Arrow.
We can generate the best AR experiences in the world.
We learn from how other products at Adobe present complicated concepts.
I believe that great software is generated by conversations between people.
It's all in service of creativity and of making art.
I can write code today, and tomorrow I can have a very happy customer.
I have a fascination with creating the tools that allow creation of any image you can imagine.
When Premiere was invented, playing back video on a desktop computer was sort of magical.
When I think about my grandfather and he's editing like this and he's cutting pieces of film, the technology of Premiere Pro, I think, would have astounded him.
Keeping the product simple is the sort of thing that keeps me up at night.
One of my favorite things about the After Effects team is that we have some of the original people behind After Effects, but we also now have developers who are younger than After Effects.
Photoshop is really one of those pieces of software that has changed the world.
We get to visit some of the most amazing customers.
Hollywood films, you have law enforcement, you have ghost hunters, whale song researchers.
Photoshop doesn't belong just to Adobe, it belongs to the world.
Meeting the people who use our products is never boring.
They're just pulling things out of their head that couldn't normally even exist.
Is possible.
That's amazing.
I'm passionate.
It never gets old.
Holy smokes, that's going to save that person 3 hours every single day.
It's just cool.